Good morning, boaters. This is David with David's Yacht Service, bringing you another rebuilt Atomic 4 sailboat engine that we've just finished up. Kind of a new color pairing here, this gloss gray and black, which seems to end up looking real good to me. And this engine came to us from a owner who had given it to someone else to rebuild, but that party didn't use gaskets, and he just kind of squirted a lot of glue in and stuck things together with glue and bolts, and didn't get the job finished up. So they brought it to me, and I had to take it apart and strip all the glue out of it, because all that does is plug up holes when it gets loose inside the oil passages. Anyway, we put it back together and cleaned things up and used gaskets, and then of course on the water jacket we did put some mastic in there to make sure things were sealed up. But it's all set, it's ready to go, and we're going to start it up and let you hear how she runs. She does run very smooth, so I'm impressed with that. But I'm going to step away for a moment and get it started. Well, here she is. Got her started up, and she is just purring very, very smooth. And easy to start. Just got to lose a little bit of choke and a little bit of throttle, and back off the choke, and she's running very nice. Got the dry stack muffler on her, so kind of keeps the noise down in the neighborhood. And you can also hear how smooth that is. Just really smooth. And we can see that up here where my hand's blowing. Very, very smooth. Anyway, she's ready to go. Can't shift her with the transmission adjustment there, because the shifter handle sticks down below the holder. And I had to redo the water pump again. It was leaking, but it looks like it's fine now. Alternator runs fine, putting out just about 14 volts. Anyway, just thought you'd like to see her. Very good engine. If yours is ready for a rebuild, give me a jingle. We can talk about things. Takes me a little while, but they get done, they run like this. So have a good day, and we'll talk to you again.